Hello again.
Hello again.
We are in Torrevieja. Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to shout out a few people, thanks to a few people, and the tourists are back.
They are.
They're back in numbers. We can see up the beach, just up that end of Torrevieja, there's lots of people, and we're going to take you around the main part of the town where there is hundreds if not thousands of tourists back on the beach. Yes, the regional borders are open. People can come into the Valencia region for the first time in a long time, about 6 months.
Yep.
And it should be really good. Maybe not as sarcastic this video, but let's see. We will have to have a mask on in this video because the Guardia Civil are out in numbers.
The local police.
And the local police.
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere today.
Yeah.
And it's stazzy.
Yeah, everybody's got to adhere to the social
distancing and the rules. And
yeah.
so yeah, let's go.
Quite. What's the temperature, Barry?
It is 32 degrees. It's an epic 32 degrees. And okay, you've probably seen this bit in videos that we've done before because we stayed here when we first moved to Torrevieja. We're going to build up a bit of anticipation because although there's nobody at this part, if you go around the corner just up here, just wait until you see how many people are on the beach. And these have all been closed, so as you can see we've walked up here. These are all open for the first time. Yes.
The totem pole.
The totem pole. That is that. Yeah. Just wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready for this? We have tourists. Quickly, I want to mention another YouTube channel is Spanish Homesteads. I'll put the link in the description of this video. Very good friends of ours. Go and watch their channel, subscribe. They live off-grid in Spain. I have done a video about them before. No, it's not off-grid. It's all solar. It is off-grid. It's solar energy. But yeah, check out their channel. And now, let's check out the beach. I have never seen this many people on the beach since last September.
Probably, yep, September.
Yeah, at least September. September, October. I've never seen this many people on the beach since then. It's fantastic. Tourism is back. Oh, that's great. On that note,
Degrees, we're going to get a cold drink somewhere.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a cold drink and people watch. You're gonna sneeze. COVID! COVID sneeze!
No, it's face mask tickle my nose. Sea of umbrella. Got to have lots and lots of Spanish tourists come down. Scandinavian, German, French.
Claro, hijo mío, que este porro, por Dios.
Station back.
Yep. And your stairs. Well, don't know what they are.
That's like the one to get
So what is today's date? It is Sunday,
It is Sunday.
It is Sunday.
The something of May.
13th.
I can't see the whole screen.
Anyway, 16th.
16th of May.
16th of May.
Wow. May is flying by.
May is flying by. Anyway, I'm uploading the video today anyway, so this is this morning if you're watching the video today. But if you're watching the video in the future, it's the 16th of May. If you get that. You get me? Yeah. Tourism has well and truly restarted here in Spain. How are you feeling today, Karen?
What?
Hot. So this is really the first weekend since the end of the state of alarm that tourists have really been allowed to travel within the various autonomous regions within Spain. Hence the reason the beach is so full, the bars are filling up,
And
people.
you can see as well, one thing that's interesting is the social distancing thing is kind of clean.
Yes, yeah, it's been.
People adhering
Yeah.
to this rule to stay away from.
To be fair, you didn't really want to be sitting sweaty next to someone else anyway, so. And it is absolutely roasting.
The ice cream shop's closed.
So it is.
That's a shame.
They reckoned that there was going to be 200,000 tourists
Valencia region.
into the Costa Blanca, the Valencian region, this weekend. And I think we've got our fair share of them here.
They say about 60,000 or so heading to Benidorm.
Yes, no, it was either 60 or 80,000 were heading to Benidorm,
The rest just burst up in the air.
and the rest just up and down the coast. But as you could see, and we've certainly not seen it. Even at Easter it wasn't this busy, but at Easter the state of alarm was still on, the regional borders were still closed. Full restaurants, people in the sea, people milling about. It's just fantastic to see again. Because I will be honest, it gets quite depressing when you think that there's nobody else here. Wonder if that video will be up on YouTube. Yeah, I know you did.
Oh, look how green that water is.
I know. Lots of So what we're going to do now is we're going to walk back up, jump in the car, and we might stop at the beach down the other side of the harbour,
The other end.
at the other end, because that was absolutely mobbed as well. So yeah, let's do it. That's a hard life. Right, I think we're actually going to just wind this video up. A big shout out to Michael Burns, who bought us a beer each. If you want to buy us a beer, you get the link down the bottom.
Thank you.
Because it does take a lot of our time to do these videos and edit them, and yeah, and we hope you enjoy them. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and just wait till the next video, because we're going to try out something a bit different, we think. Anyway,
I know nothing.
no nada. Have a great Sunday. Hasta luego.